This is an instructional video for Putco rocker panels on all 19 and up GM 1500 model trucks. Make sure the vehicle is clean before beginning the installation. You can ensure this by spraying the application area with isopropyl alcohol and wiping down with a small cloth until dry. Verify the fit of the part by holding the panel up to the vehicle. Proper placement for these rocker panels is 1/8 of an inch off the edges of the vehicle and 1/8 of an inch up from the bottom of the doors. It's recommended to hold each piece in position and apply painter's tape as a reference. This tape is the most effective at the top of each piece and ensures they're straight and consistently spaced. At this point, you should not have removed the rear tape liner. The panel should match the contour of the vehicle. If not, gently hand form the piece to the desired shape. Once you have aligned the panels and verified the cleanliness of the surface, you are ready to apply the rocker panels. At this point, you can remove the rear protective tape. With pieces P1, D1, P2, and D2, it is recommended to peel only about 12 inches of the liner to start, and pull the liner towards the bottom of the panel so that the liner can be removed as the rocker is being worked onto the vehicle. With the tape exposed, be careful not to contaminate the adhesive. Having 2 people install the pieces on the doors is critical for proper installation. Align the front door piece, starting with the bottom rear corner of the door first, and apply the rocker panel to the vehicle. When installing part P1 and D1, the recommended way of installing the piece is to start at the edge located next to the rear door and work your way forward, rolling the piece onto the vehicle a few inches at a time, in order to get the rocker to form to the contour of the door properly. While working the piece onto the vehicle from the rear door, keep the front edge completely off the vehicle until the rest of the rocker panel is completely attached to the vehicle, reducing the distance you hold the front edge off of the vehicle as you work along the part and get closer to the front edge. Doing it this way helps to alleviate the risk of creasing the part. You'll want to add the 6th piece on either side last, but no special method is required for application. It's also recommended to use a roller to secure the panel fully and to give the desired fit and finished look. Finally, you can remove the protective outer film and reveal the chrome finish. Thank you for joining us on this installation video today.